Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about Irin AI chatbot, and this is actually a WhatsApp tools. So why you should watch this video? Because it's very relevant for customer management and to automate your Shopify online store. So I think this tutorials is must watch for all of the Shopify users, because here you are going to learn something that is very helpful, very beneficial for your store, and definitely save your time and increase your sales. So why I'm going to make this video, or why I am making video about Irin AI chatbot today. So first of all, I'm going to back my Shopify admin panel. So here is my Shopify admin panel, and I am working as a Shopify developer, also Shopify SEO expert, but I have already started implement everything with AI. So my tutorials type right now Shopify plus AI, Shopify SEO plus AI, or Shopify store design development customization plus AI. That's mean everything touch with AI. And I already published a video about flow, and today I also do some research on flow to check what is the new update on flow, to know and share with my audience, and that's why I think I should make a video about Irin AI chatbot, because I find this chatbot name makes multiple times on flow templates. So I already share a basic video about the flow, Shopify flow tutorials for beginner. So you can watch this video and you can learn more about this flow in details as a beginner. So here I'm going to click on see all templates, and in all templates, if I search Irin, then you see there is 7 ready template that is directly relevant or directly integrate with Irin apps AI chatbot, and all these templates in order and risk category, and order and risk category. So why it's very important category? Because when you start making money or getting sales from your Shopify store, your first and important things is that manage your business smartly without any hesitation, without any complexity, or without any hard way. You must have to control, manage everything in smart way, and that's definitely save your time and make your customers happy. Okay, so I hope you understand why I am going to make a video about this AI chatbot, Irin AI chatbot, because it's directly integrate in Shopify admin panel flow templates. So that's why we must have to know about this in details, and we have to set up it. So what we can actually do with this app? So here you can see send. First of all, you see there is a ready template, send WhatsApp message to a customers though Irin AI to retarget ideal customers. This is the one purpose. Send WhatsApp message to customers though Irin AI to recover abundant checkout. Abundant checkout is one of the most important familiar word in e-commerce business, because maximum time a lots of store face this issue that customers go their store, check product and click on the add to cart, but finally they don't process the checkout, and that's why it's happened, and it's called abundant checkout. And this Irin AI chatbot can fix this issue by sending auto message to your customers actually who don't confirm the order, just click on the add to cart and add it on the abundant checkout. So this is the another important reason why you should use this. In the same way, there have multiple templates that we can use for multiple purpose. So now I'm going to Irin AI chatbot page on the Shopify app store and going to learn more details about it. First of all, we are going to check their screenshot. Here's the screenshot, generative AI chatbot and WhatsApp messaging. It's actually built for WhatsApp, and do marketing by WhatsApp, and get more sales, increase sales, and get connected or be very close with their target customers. So This is the main goal of this app. So click on next. Recover abandoned checkout. Increase sales by recovering abandoned checkout. This is very important things, and they have mainly focused on it, recover the abandoned checkout. And that's why I already mentioned that all of the Shopify user must watch this video, because this is one of the most important issue why you are not getting more sales, or why your visitor don't convert into customers. And that's why at the beginning of this video told that, or says that, you must have to watch this video as a Shopify user. Next, customer workflow on WhatsApp. That actually create a automate workflow by WhatsApp for e-commerce order update and mostly relevant order update, and retarget customer personalized remarketing on WhatsApp. So I hope you understand. Also, it can create quiz, interactive quiz, engage the user with rich media quiz and highlight your product offering, and retain customers retention royalty program. Set up a royalty program or reward system on your e-commerce website to increase and retain customers. Send point earn notification on WhatsApp after successful customer order. Also send reminder to use the reward before the expiring on the reward points. That's mean it's indirectly increase customers to become interested buy more product on your shop, and indirectly help to increase your sales. So I hope you understand their main P chart. Also here is the details, and its work on checkout, Facebook, Google, Landsquare, WhatsApp, Juho CRM. And here is the most important things is that it's not free. You can test it as a trial for 7 days, but for a starter pack or starter plan, you must have to use it as a subscription base. And you can see $29 per month, and here's the featured list. So this is just into our introduction video of Irin AI chatbot, and I think it's very important because I found it on Shopify admin panel by default on the Shopify flow. And as I am making video relevant Shopify AI or automation, that's why I shared this app details with you, so that you can learn more about it. And if you want, then you can try this app. Also, I personally recommend to, of course you should try it, because you can automate your business using this app. And here is the ready template. We'll build or we'll create more video relevant the Irin template in the flow under the Shopify admin panel. So I'm going to end this video in here today, and I hope you understand everything. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. And if you want to learn more about Shopify, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.